Alright, here I have my detonator. 6Q, runs on 6 9-volt batteries, or 7 if you want this pointless arm button. Yeah, it really does. It's just show right there. You can run it off power and batteries if you want. I spray painted it. There's the wiring in there. Haven't put those 9 volts down, and that's just my power going to my arm button. And you got toggle switches, all that. It runs from here to there with these speaker things, and those run to power the plugins like you get on a house. And you can run 12 extension cords off of that and basically detonate 12 fireworks at one time, or you could just do 6. It doesn't matter to me.